Alright, so today was pretty annoying just because the bolt was stripped in it. But yeah, we got it on. I love how it looks. The fitment, it needs some adjustments because it's kind of like, see that? It's not perfect. You can't really tell unless you like really look at it. But I love how it looks. Completely changed the look of the whole car. Like, I'm in love with it. That's lit.
Okay. Oh, I get scared, dude. I'm like, no, don't touch the wire. Just don't even touch it. Like, if it disconnects, bricked. If the battery dies, bricked. Anything breaks. Yeah, that's why I'm just like, put it over there so I won't touch that shit. I get scared.
Fucking God, bro. And it's the last time you guys are gonna see it like this for a minute. I don't think I'll unwrap it anytime soon, even when I get it, so. End of an era. On this corner, yes.
Oh my gosh, it is wet. Oh. Oh my god, bro.
Bruh. Yo, that shit goes crazy. Damn, bro. That's hard. Here it is.
Oh. Dang, those are hard. I cannot lie.
Bro, don't you already know, bro.
I tagged in mine, bro.
No. Alright guys, so headlights are in and they look pretty sick. I'm so glad I got these. Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am preparing to, boost my car. So today I got radiator fans by Mishimoto. They're over there. Alright. Dang, these are so skinny, bro. That's tough. Damn, and they're hella light. Got screws down there? Oh, it's good it came with screws. I've never installed fans before, so this is gonna be a first for me. Just gonna figure it out as I go. So I did make a mess, and Mr. Kazi has banned me from his house now, unfortunately. I did not know this was gonna happen. But as you guys can see, the difference.
Badass difference.
That shit is crazy. Like, it is crazy. So these going in right now. Simple. Hopefully, these work good and cool to keep the car like super cool. It's finally the day that I'm about to drop off my car to get boosted. I got all the parts right here just sitting on the ground. I'm gonna have to load them into my car. All right, so the turbo's in, or it's not in, but it's just, sitting right there. Like I said, there's not much into it right now. Since the V-bands are here, probably give it a few days. It's just about to put probably a base map on it, and then we're gonna start it up. Start it right up. Dang. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm about to get on the road then. See how I can't hit boost yet because I have to get the tune, so I have to drive it pretty slow right now. All right, guys. So here's my POV. Third part. Alright y'all, so I'm about to show you what I'm about to get. Yes sir, some Brimbos. Told you guys that I was trying to get some of the Brimbos, soon. I, found a set. Almost, I just need to get, all the residue and stuff off, and then I'll take these two off. There's like no scratches on them or anything like that. Honestly, I wasn't planning on getting full carbon. I wasn't planning on getting full carbon louvers, but I got a deal that I couldn't pass up on, so obviously I had to, cash out on it. And they look pretty sick. Can't wait to get them on the car. I got all the 3M. It actually was barely enough. Didn't have that side, but should stick. All right, got the louvers on. Oh my God, I hit my head on the freaking tree, bro. Still got the louvers on. They look pretty sick. Do need to wash them though. Once I just, you know, powder coat the wheels and everything, it'll bring it all together. I am finally dropping off the wheels. They're like pretty dirty, but you said it shouldn't matter because I'm gonna strip them anyway, so like sandblast them and all that. So just gonna go ahead and take them all out the car and then, you know, put them in over there. All right, so all the wheels are here. So I'm about to go ahead and get the tires on these. So good. Nice. They came out really good. Can't wait to get these on the car, bro. And it looks so much better than black wheels. This is way better. Just need to mess with the fitment. Oh, pretty fire. Well, here it is. Looks so much better with black wheels. So today I'm actually going to be installing some Brembo brakes on my car. Finally, I've had them sitting for a minute because I just had the calipers, but now I got the rotors, as you guys can see. So we're going to go ahead and throw the Brembos on finally. All right, so here's all the rotors and brake pads. One Brembo over there, and then the other two Brembos on the side. Bags. All right, guys. So overall, the brakes are on, and they're looking really good. I just need to paint them. They feel pretty good too. I actually had these calipers on the other side, which was upside down, but I fixed it now, and the car is pretty much good to go. I wouldn't recommend doing this if it's your first time, honestly, like low-key. It took me a long ass time just to finish this, and I'll probably never do brakes again. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be finally painting the calipers on the G. As you can see, they're kind of beat. It's like the OEM color, you know, got scrapes and all that. So I'm gonna paint them. I'm not gonna tell you guys what color yet, but you'll see in a minute because I'm gonna go to the store and get everything. And yeah. All right, guys, so got her all cleaned up now. You guys can see the color better. Looks pretty good. I still need to get the decals. My guy was lagging on me, so I'm just waiting on that. But these ones didn't come out as good as the other ones. I mean, you can't really tell, obviously, but I mean, hey, looks really good. So this is probably one of the best ones, to be honest. The way that one came out looks pretty good. Yeah, I just washed the car right now, finally. This side, you know, still looks pretty good. And then finally the last side. Like I said, I just need the Brembo decals again. I probably said that like 1,000 times in this video, but y'all get the point. All right, guys. So I am actually selling this hood now. I just sold it right now, and I am gonna be on my way to go pick up the new one. I can't wait to put it on. It's gonna look pretty sick. Here is the new hood. Just having a little bit of trouble putting it on because it didn't want to latch down, but I got it. Shit looks pretty sick. So today I actually finally got bucket seats. Had them for about a few days. I haven't installed them. They've just been sitting in my car, kind of. So that's basically what I'm about to do right now. Come out and then I'll show you guys. Still focusing. All right, so here's the seat. I did get both seats, so yeah. So these are actually NRG Prisma seats, and they're really, really comfortable. I like them. I've sat in them a few times in friends' cars. Ever since I first saw these seats, like a long, long time ago, you know, I've been really wanting them. The back of this thing looks so tight. That thing is going crazy, bro. That's gonna look so good inside. Let's go. But as you can see, the seats are in. You guys don't understand how much of a headache it was to install these bucket seats. Like, I know it looks pretty forward and, you know, simple, but at the same time, it was a little bit complicated. It was just giving me a headache, especially the passenger side. So the seats are actually pretty comfortable. They're made of Alcantara. I think that's how you say it, Alcantara. Yeah, they're pretty comfortable, pretty soft, like suede. They're not dirty. You guys see that, but you know, like that, you can do that. But yeah, they're pretty comfortable. I've been driving in them I've had them in for almost a week. And yeah, I love them, to be honest. I said I was gonna do all black interior, but these seats, I've had my eye on them for the longest. And these are the ones that I actually wanted.